welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is on the place where you can play your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Want to support the channel, guys? Look, you already know my ebook, www.themanselfsonfire.com. All right, guys, as always, I'm sporadic whenever I go live, whenever I have the opportunity. Thanks for all the prayers and concerns, man. I'm back on my feet somewhat, trying to get my energy level back up. But as related to my other lives, whenever I have opportunity to be in a different area, I love to test the hot spots out. And I wanted to give you guys like an example of some of the things that I'm running. All right, so right here, you guys already know right here, um, I added this method to the video course. This is a bonus method. So basically what it is, it's a method how you can go in and you can change. What's up, Alfonso? You can go in and you can change the IMEI number up in here. And it's not changing the IMEI number like the tablet method with AT&T. You literally changing this number to a cell phone. Now, I changed this to an iPhone 11, I believe. And up in here, I have a Sprint SIM card. All right. Um, Also, this method right here, this router, it comes with pre-flash software in there that allows you to change certain settings to trick the cell phone towers. You can see the little SIM card up in there right there. I love this router, man, because it's a router slash 4G 4G LTE hotspot. And you can go ahead, you can change so many settings. Up in here, I have a visible card. And this device right here, this is the company that I'm partnering with. I don't have a SIM card in there right now, but you have an AT&T card that this company will be using. Um, Basically, man, you just plug and play this. Plug it up. Everything is already in the settings. They already went up in here and got it set to the specs that you need. Now, one of the things about this one right here, as it relates to my home and my studio, I had trouble getting different speeds or whatever. Okay, but this right here, the company that I'm working with, they look. You buy this, you just plug it up. You're good to go. It's gonna come with a SIM card, and you just pay your monthly bill. It's important that you run different platforms if you are a reseller. And the reason why it's important that you run different platforms if you are a reseller is because every customer area will be different. For example, the last time I showed you guys this method, I was at rehab with my daughter in the parking lot, and we was logging to this router, and this router right here only was producing like about, I forgot the speeds, but I think it was producing 1.5 megabits per second, something like that, or whatever. And I said I had the visible card up in here. I don't. I have AT&T tablet plan up in here. All right. So we're in another location, another city. Tech always on the go. So let's go ahead, guys, and do some testing. Again, we got Sprint up in here, AT&T up in there. I don't have any. Thank you, Russell, man. I'm feeling better. I don't have any SIM card up in here, but I just wanted to show you that I run different hotspots. Again, this right here is going to come directly from that company. You just plug and play. This method right here is you change the IMEI number, and it's going to trick the towers into thinking that it's a cell phone. All right, which allow you to get around the hotspot speed caps and all of that, and it's going to give you cell phone speeds. Trust me, I put AT&T SIM card up in here, and I did a speed test with just my data on my phone. Then I put the card up in here, AT&T card tablet plan up in here, did a speed test, and it was exactly the same. So it works. And again, you can do this with the visible too. Just put a SIM card up in there to get past that 5 megabits per second cap with visible. Go ahead, change this number, and boom, you're good to go. You're going to get those speeds. And y'all know I love this right here, man. I love this right here. So I have the AT&T SIM card up in there. Last time, guys, we was barely getting one. Okay, we're in another location. Okay, For those of you that didn't see it, here's a recap. The first time I did this router, someone will try to call me. The first time I did this router, we was in the parking lot at my daughter's school, and we was getting like about 90 or 70. All right. The second time we was at rehab with my daughter, and we barely was getting one. And I was stressing to you, location, whenever you want to be a reseller. So let's go ahead and log in. Pull up my other phone. Go ahead up and log in up in here, up in here, up in here. All right. And so right now we're logged into the Netgear. All right. The Netgear got Sprint up in there. So let's go ahead and do a speed test with that. Come up in here, speed test. Let's go. All right. So apparently the Netgear do not have Sprint up in there, because I'm saying AT&T. I'm gonna have to recheck that card. Thought I had a Sprint card up in there. So right now we at 18.4. Let me make sure I'm logged into the right one also. Man, I got so many SIM cards, man. And I be testing it out. So yes, I'm logging to. All right, I'm logging to there. I'm not logging to the Nighthawk. So I'm logging to there. That is AT&T. All right, let's try this again. All right. So I'm logging to the AT&T. So last time we wasn't getting one. Looked like this little demonstration is giving us what? 10, 9. All right. Russell passed one my way. Okay. That's a huge improvement from the last test we ran with that device in the parking lot. Okay. Now we are in another location. So now we're getting 11 megabits per second down, 12.93 up. Okay. Let me just move this down here so I can run the test again. All right. And the first time looked like we got like by 18. And the reason why I love this too, man, is the antennas. You can just move the antennas around. And people don't realize that the antennas, man, they play a huge role. And forgive my hands being ashy, guys. Ever since I had COVID, I wash them all day long. So lotion don't work. I put lotion on, it comes right back off. Antennas play a huge role. Now, this router right here, you can buy the ones where you can interchange the antennas. This antenna right here is locked in, but you can upgrade to where you can change the antennas. All right. So let me just move the antennas around a little bit more. Just for the sake of it, guys. And let's do another test. All right. Okay. I forget what the last one was, guys, but we're at 13, 14. All right. 14. All right. Look like we're going to be like about 13 or 14 upload too. So there you have it with that right there. The last time we was in that parking lot, we was getting like one. Okay, so let's go ahead, another location. Let's go ahead and see what this method right here is going to give us. So let's log into that, or let's connect to that Wi-Fi right there. That's going to be here. 5G. All right, so we're connected. All right, so let's go ahead, cancel that out. Boom. Shit. All right, reading T-Mobile. All right. All right. Look at those speeds right there, man. Goodness. Get those speeds right there, man. Yeah, you can watch IPTV, you can stream Cinema HD in 4K, you can play Call of Duty. Uh, Upload seems a little slow. But look at that, man. Look at that. So again, in this time right here, or in this community right here, I would offer potential customers this device, change the IME number using the information that's in the video course, and that would be the best for this area. Okay. Again, 2 weeks ago when I went live the first time, the area that we was in, this was the best option for it. Okay. The only reason why I love this so much is because it's so versatile, man. Whenever you have it in a good area to where you get in like those 60, 70, 90 upload speeds, having all of those connections in the back to where you can directly plug into your devices, or you can just hardwire this into your existing router into your home, and you can upgrade to where you can get the interchangeable antennas where you can put your own antennas on there. This is good too, man. You can buy like a hub to use or whatever, but is limited as it compared to that. Now, can you connect a lot of devices with this? Yes, you can, buddy. You can connect a lot of devices with this. And again, they have an Ethernet port. You can connect it directly to your router. You can do those things right there. But straight out the box, that right there, straight out the box, it's going to be a little bit more easier than this, because remember, this method right here, you got to download software on your computer, you got to pay for tokens, and then you got to find the IME number, you got to check the IME number, and then you got to set it, and you're good to go. So if you're a reseller, every customer, not only do you have to purchase the hotspot, but every customer you have to change the IME number. You're going to need a token. It's $35. I'll show you that in the video course. But here's the thing. Once you're able to set them up, look at the speeds you're getting, man. Look at the speed. You're going to have a client for life. I mean, look at the speeds you're getting once you're able to set them up. Let's go ahead and do another speed test. Right? You can see T-Mobile up in there, but it's a Sprint. It's a Sprint card up in there. Look at the speeds, man. Look at the speeds now. Now, the only thing I did was move it from off of my lap and put it up there on the dash. Look at the speeds, man. Look at that, man. That's a hot spot right there.